Hello guys, review Motorola G04s. This version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable, okay, and talk about device. On the back side camera, on this side power button and volume buttons, we have protected cover, 6.7-inch display, okay, clear Android 14, display we have HD resolution, IPS, 90 Hz, 6.6-inch, Open Geekbench 6, and talk about system information. We have Unisoc T606 CPU and GPU Motorola G57. Single core and multi-core results. Look into the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.